Hi guys, welcome back for another cleaning motivation video. If you're new here, my name's Carissa and thanks for clicking on the video. So today I am doing some basic chores like laundry and also cleaning up my kitchen because it's a disaster area, and I'm also taking down the Christmas decorations. I love Christmas and I love putting them up, but it's also a joy to take them down because my house is starting to feel a little bit cluttered because it's small and the Christmas tree takes up so much room. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video and find it motivating, and let's get into it, guys.
And I will come running, yeah, every day, 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me, and days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day, 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe.
So there's dishes still from last night when we had tea that haven't been packed into the dishwasher, and there's just stuff everywhere, and the tinsel that's on the upper cabinets keeps falling, so I need to get that all taken down. But first I'm going to pack the dishwasher, hand wash anything that needs hand washing, which there will be because there's too much to fit in the dishwasher, and I'm going to take all that tinsel down. I'm going to wipe down all the bench tops, you know, all the basic stuff, but I am going to wash the floor. I found a new floor cleaner and it works really well, and I've also started doing the floors by hand instead of with a mop, and I found that works even better still. It's a little more time consuming, but it's well worth it.
Every day, yeah, every day, babe.
We can't keep floating, we have to float. This is the beat of broken hearts that I love. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
My business, you be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. My chain dancing, my head big, my top heavy, I let it down. See me shining, they hating on me, they mean mugging, I let them down. She call me Poppy, I'm popping now. Happy, I'm hopping now. Money talks, I'm the only thing these broke boys should be talking about. They talking greasy, we eating healthy, we getting wealthy, you see the difference. Blew her back, then I blew her off. She salty, now she can't be the missus. My partner's country like cornbread. In the city plotting on long bread. These out here going broke, tryna do this that they song said. I'm a once in a lifetime flex. Never leave lifelines. Hit her with the nighttime text. Got no time to fight while I stress. I be dripping, baby. That I used to get missing lately. They acting iffy, he different, ain't he? Hop in the coupe and we dipping, baby. Yeah, the inside be looking like chicken gravy. In my vision hazy, know they hungry and hideous. Ride for my brother like Phineas. Finna go fill up a stash. I'm on a mission, my palm just be itching, man. I can't even hold you, it feel like a rash. I came with the funk like a hamper of Pampers. And all of these rappers been stealing the sauce. I just been winning, man, I'm tryna get it, man. It's to the point I ain't feeling no loss. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. Ocean under this dad hat. It ain't me that you mad at. I ain't trippin', bruh, had that. Cause he don't know I done had that. My bucket list got check marks. My denim pocket got stretch marks. My neighbors swear that I'm hustling. Like might as well, bruh, fuck it then. I might whip around the city like a Uber. God on watching me and my maneuvers. Why you capping, bruh, you not a shooter. She gon' give me brain, think I got a tutor. I been too clean for the dirty looks. Pile of paper thick as 30 books. Shawty fine as
how much joy it gives me to have a clean kitchen again. I have been slacking on the cleaning because I've had a sore back and just haven't been able to clean as much as I normally do, but this is truly satisfying to finally have a clean kitchen.
Job, but that's just a risk that I gotta take. I'm a rock star, baby. Feel like I'm Chuck Berry in my Sway Sperry. I'm a pop star, baby. Feel like I'm Steve Perry hitting Holly Berries, and it's kinda scary all the power you got when you really be knowing yourself. Know that they cannot control me or hold me, cause lately I barely got hold of myself. I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings, I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness. I've been all in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings, I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag, you be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing, fit in all of my fitness.
So if you tune in to my next video, you will see that we have done a mini makeover on the laundry room. So hit that subscribe button to make sure you get notified for my next video.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
So now just taking everything off the entertainment unit that's to do with Christmas. So when do you guys take down your Christmas decorations? I normally try and do it like a day or two after Christmas, but because we had family staying with us, I didn't get around to it, and yeah, the new year come and went, and yes, I'm just getting to it now. So leave it in the comments down below. How soon after Christmas do you guys undecorate?
Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes. guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
So thanks for watching, guys. The house looks a lot better and a lot less cluttered now all the Christmas stuff is gone. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I've also put some more motivation up in the corner there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.